Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewer, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet baby gloves designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet to baby gloves designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs at affordable tuning. Colorful gloves add to baby cuteness. Unique gift, handmade crochet gloves make and the thoughtful and personalized gift, and the photography prop crochet baby gloves and the perfect baby photography shoot, and the warmth and the comfort. Soft breathable crochet fabric keeps baby hands warm, and the cozy easy care machine washable and dryable, making them an convenient for parents, and the gloves protect baby hand from scratches, cool temperatures, and other irritations, and the handmade crochet gloves show love and care for baby. Confidence booster of favor gloves boost parents' confidence in their baby's style. Personalized touch customizable gloves allow parents to add personal touch such a baby's name and increase national fabric choices on a chemical-free yarns for baby sensitive skins. Crochet fabric reduce skin irritations, rash. Soft fabric for promote relaxation and the comfort for baby. Simple classic designs, timeless, and the patterns affordable. Animals designs such as rabbits or bears, and the colorful travel gloves bear cheerful, and the straps add visual interest, and the delight less details add a touch of elegance. Combines Croatia with other material for added textures, cotton, soft, breathable, and the affordable, and the density, easy care, and the affordable. Bamboo and beam ECU friendly, soft, and the breathable. Silk and the silk blend and texture soft and warm. Single crochet great sardines fabric. Double crochet provides a looser move textures fabric. Half double crochet combines the benefits of single and the double crochet, allow for iteration fabric designs, and the choose suitable yarns, weight, and hook size. Consider baby handmade shape size, use running streams, and the joiners. Black finished gloves for and professional finish, add custom details, button embroidery. Croatia baby gloves offer a thoughtful and personalized gift for parents and babies, providing warmth and the comfort and style. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know, you have different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. Thank you people for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decoration. So like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Allah Hafiz, take care, and bye bye.